What's up, everybody? Ryan here, doing a leak search this morning on a Carrier 5-ton package unit. Found the circuit flat about a week ago. They approved the leak search, so I'm back, Willoughby, Ohio. The unit was flat. I got oil dripping off of one of the access tees, so I'm assuming that's where the leak is. There it is. Right there at the fitting. I bet you whenever somebody screwed on this pressure switch, it cracked the weld. So we'll just take it all apart and weld it up. Yeah, that's exactly what happened. Whoever put on that pressure switch didn't back up the welded fitting and over tightened it and cracked it. You're probably not going to be able to see it too well, so I can hardly see it on my phone, but the crack is right here. Anyway, that's not really that important. Well, I welded in a new fitting because the old one, I couldn't get it to stay in. It kept popping out when I tried to braze it, so put this baby in there. Let her cool off, hook everything up, we'll re-pressure test. So I just unsweated it here, and we just ran all new into the condenser coil, so let's weld it up. I got about 300 pounds of nitrogen in it. Nothing appears to be leaking yet. A little over 306. We'll let that sit. Make sure I got power for my vacuum pump. And let's see what we got. Oh yeah, baby. Gotta love it when you got power right at the unit. It almost never happens. Let this bitch warm up. Lovely. Not even sure how old this thing is. 98. Nice. On a vacuum, everything's going pretty good. I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat. We're back. System's just about vacuumed down. Gonna get the Freon scale ready. Take about 6 pounds of Freon. All right, all set. Should have a call for air conditioning. Got a 72.7, almost 73 degree return air temp. .8 supply temp, almost 50 degrees, so we're about 22 degree delta T temperature drop across the evaporator coil. About 59 pounds of suction pressure. Looks good to me. Okay, I got about 11 degrees superheat, 22 degrees of subcooling. It's getting windy up here. It's blowing all my shit everywhere. So I think we're good. In fact, the unit just satisfied.